Okay, so hey guys, it's me Meemzilla and welcome to a game called Balthazar. I don't know how to pronounce it, but oh, that's slightly unfortunate. Yeah, welcome to a game called Balthazar's Dream. I don't know how to pronounce it. You'll see the title in a second, but this game was actually provided to us by the creators. They sent us a key, and it's actually like in a style I really like. I like retro games a lot. And we play as this little dog here. So now this is the intro bit. Yeah, that's, I don't know how to pronounce it, but there you go. New game. I have never played this before, by the way. But so basically, that's our guy. This is his dog, and the owner got hit by an ice cream truck. Choose your favorite breed: border collie. Where are pug? How do I? Oh, okay. Oh, pug. Australian Shepherd, Shiba Inu. I like Shiba Inus as well. German Shepherd is terrifying. Pug. Shiba Inu. Okay, how do I play? So yeah, it's basically a puzzle platformer. Oh, okay. Hold jump to okay. How do you understand that? Where is the fridge? No. Is that? Whatever, I'm not gonna touch the spider. Spiders freak me out in real life as well. Oh, okay. So that's how you save. Be careful if maybe. Okay. Jump. Oh, okay. I didn't realize what they meant when it was slippery, wasn't. What do you want to say? It's so weird I can float around, but can't touch anything. I mean, yeah. You are a ghost. Yes. Okay. Oh, I almost died. I actually really like the style of this game. Okay, wait, no! Oops. I didn't realize the floor would be slippery. So this kind of thing means the floor is slippery. I don't like slippy floors in any game. Okay, let's go. I like dogs. Dogs are my favorite animal. They're so cute. No. I made it. Okay. I'm not dead. Save. I don't want to do that again. No. Okay. What's the little like the bone at the where? Oh, okay. Oh, there's more floating sofas. Yeah, I'm kind of bad at this game. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I don't need that bottom sofa, right? I'll jump on it anyway. It's probably going to save me. Yeah, got it. Oh, I didn't. No matter how far I go, I always end up here. What? Yeah, I'm a good dog. Be careful. What tables? Seem very. Oh, they like collapse. I'm going to save. Oh, they're going to collapse. I didn't realize they'd collapse that fast. Okay, so it's one of the. Okay, fine, I get it. I don't get it. Help. Oh, okay, have a second. I was thinking they'd fall way too fast. I got it. That rope is the only way up. My memory is all fuzzy, but I remember. Yep, I am a good dog. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Ah, I almost fell off. No, hydrant. Yeah. Well done. Where do I have to go now? Oh, do I still have to go on the rope? Okay, wait. Oh, that's like a grip meter. Ah, got it. Or it's like a stamina bar or something like that. Yeah, basically. Way to go. Oh no, I'm probably going to fail a lot at this part. Go faster, rope! Ah, I did it. Yeah. Because you're a... Why do you feel like you're a ghost? Ghosts don't fall ill, do they? I mean, I'm not a ghost, so I don't know. Come on! Ah, leap of faith. No! Ah, that was kind of close. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'll make this one and... Yeah, I got it. Yes. Where do I have to go now? Oh, okay. Sofa. Thank you. I did not mean to do... Ow. No. Okay. Got it. Okay. I jumped 100 times already? Okay. Dog scared of vacuum cleaners. Hey, let's go. No. Oh, that's a smarts bar. Wait, how do I get back up? Help. You know what? Whatever. Fight the vacuum cleaner. Oh. Nah, never mind. Was there a hydrant there that I missed? Please, faster. Doggo-sama. Yes. Okay, I thought I was gonna make... I hit my mic. Great job, me. Am I clipping? No, I'm not. Okay, fine. Actually, yeah, one thing I'd recommend changing a bit in this game, like... Just because it's been provided to us doesn't mean I'm going to give it an unfair review, but like you can get kind of stuck under the table, so that could be changed. There's a terrifying vacuum cleaner here. Go! I don't think that's what I was supposed to do. Oh, I'm supposed to use that to my advantage, I think. Yeah, I have to use it to my advantage. Marvelous. I did not mean to skip that cutscene. Okay. Don't, no. So close. Okay. Let's try again. Yep. Is that a spider? That's a spider. I don't like spiders at all. Okay, I got some. Oh, I'm not getting those achievements. I'm just progressing in them. Okay, fine, I get. Thank God there's a hydrant there. Okay. Jump, doggo. Not like that. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm supposed to use that to my advantage, but like, I'm bad at video games. Hey, I did it. Training is about to pay off. Yeah. Oh my God, it's like a spring trampoline. I've never actually jumped on a really springy bed. I know it may sound really dumb, but that's what it is. Okay, fine. I can go here, right? Oh no, I have to go here. I think. Yeah, there's a bed there. Ha! Doesn't this like a no vacuum cleaner? Okay, I'm not dead, surprisingly. We're getting closer, but it's also getting more dangerous, and they're probably gonna die after dying. I don't know. I've seen no mortal enemies there. Grape tonight and crypto. What? I don't like. Oh, grapes kill dogs. I knew chocolate do. Chocolate does. Oh, that's chocolate. Can I? I can't touch it. Can I? MLG trick shot. Dog trick shot. Yes. Where's This bath is pretty scary. It is. Okay. I don't want to touch the chocolate. Okay. What did I touch? Did I touch chocolate? I think I touched chocolate. Great. Hey, hi. No, I jumped too early. How long have I been recording for? 11 minutes and 27 seconds. That's okay. Help. I'm so bad at this game. Also, I really like pixel games, and this one is really good. It like kind of no blue no. How did I nail that first time? Okay. No, I don't think I'll be able to do that part again. I'll cut it out if I can't, and you just have to watch me suffer for like quite some time. That's not how we do it either, is it? Okay. Ha! Please. Yes, I did it! Okay, I've almost got that achievement. There is the chocolate. That jump is really tough actually. Okay. I don't want to go to that bath. It's like a vacuum cleaner. Okay, don't touch the chocolate. I didn't know grapes kill dogs though. There was chocolate there. Okay, let's try again. Yes! Oh, I got that bit first try. Yes, I'm a god. Oh, there's a hydrant right here. Okay, fine. Yeah. I'm not dead, which is good, and I realized that there was a hydrant right there. Okay, wait. Oh, there's a hydrant. I hate myself right now. Okay, fine. I didn't die. Oh, there's grapes there. Great. Okay. I didn't even know grapes killed dogs. I thought only chocolate did that. Help. Where did I hold? Yep. Okay. Speedrun mode. Hydrant, please. Excellent. Oh, help. What's this? It shot me. It's not fair. Grape trick shots 20, 15, 16, 17. That's not how you do it, is it? Okay. Dodge the grape. I don't think dodge the grape would be something I'd ever say. But dodge the grape. It's gonna come. Yep. How do you? How? What do I have to do? Oh! Oh, that's why they made it like that. That's actually really smart. Good job. Okay. So you can forget what I said about how, like, changing the way the tables fall. It's useful, and I'm pretty sure there was a hydrant that I could have used there. But now I know how to do this bit. What are these TP tents for? Whatever. Oh. Okay, that made really good actually. And now I'm at a hydrant. Chocolate! Chocolate! That was close. Oh, I just barely made that. That's not how you do it. Speedrun! Doggo. Looks like you got. Oh no, those are cats. Yes, they're death cats. Actually, the soundtrack for this game is pretty good as well. Oh, that's chocolate. Okay, so I'm back after a bit of a nightmare trying to fix OBS. It crashed for whatever reason. But I'm back now, so. Yeah. That was chocolate. Oh, okay. Jump. Okay. There's a weird cat thing here. It kills me. Oh, I hit a cat before that. I didn't realize it does that. Chocolate. No. Okay. Yep. Nope. Okay, let's go. Let's go. That. No. No. Just no. That was so bad. How did I do that? There's grapes of death and chocolate of death here. I didn't even know that grapes kill dogs. Okay, I almost fell. And there's a new save. This part seems simple enough. Yep. What does the spider do? I don't know. Ow. Okay. Dodge. Yes. Please give me a new hydrant. Yes, it is. Yes. Oh no, I accidentally skipped. F. Wait, what? What was I scared of? Oh no, I have to like have the ball near me. Otherwise I like get terrified. Oh, okay. Can I kill this with the ball? Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here. Am I going the right way? Did I have to? No. Do I have to put it in here? If I can do that. Oh, that was a bad idea. Down plus jump. Oh! Oh, actually this is a really cool mechanic. Cats just like... Oh. Oh, so now I can kill the cats. Yes. Can I kill the spider? I hate spiders more than anything. Jump. No. Can I wall jump? Oh, I got it, I got it. No. I don't... What do I have to do? Okay, wait, what happens? Oh, okay. No, how do I... Oh! Okay, I got it, I got it. If I can do it, I mean, I know what to do. Nope. Still no. Oh, I think I... Yes! How do I make my way here? Okay, fine, whatever. I'm not gonna... Jump! I did not mean to do that. Oops. Oh! At least I saved before that. Kill the cat. Kill the cat again. kill more cats. How many cats are here? And I get achievements. Okay, okay, fine, calm down. Are there like infinite cats? No. Oh, there are infinite cats. Give me the ball back. This is my ball. Get wrecked! Actually, I'm really surprised by how good this game is. Ah, no, the ball! Okay. Oh, okay, I get it. Do I get it? How far can you throw this? Oh! No. Okay, I think I get it. Wait, why am I completely calm? No, I didn't make it. How do I... no. Okay, I mean, I almost hit the table, so I'm guessing that's what I have to do. I can't do this. Oh yes, I got it. Okay, fine. I might need a new ball though. There it is. That's not how you do it, is it? Okay. Yep. Yes. Oh. Oh, the table's still there. Oh, okay. Dunk. No, I still. This game's kind of hard actually. Either that or I've just become really bad at video games suddenly. Nope. Nope. Heh. Heh. Ha! Almost. Ha! Okay. Can I please? How did I get this first time, like when I did before that? Yep, like that. Not like that. Can I please be a bit better at this game? Oh, okay, wait. Yes! What? Do I throw the ball across? And then like Godspeed run towards it? No? I have no idea. Where do I get a new ball from? Ha! Just run! Just run! Just run! I don't think that's how I was supposed to do it, but whatever. I managed. We're in trouble. The only way ahead is blocked by the meanest stratus card I've ever seen. Oh no. Wait, ball, come back! Who? Okay, I'm gonna go and kill a giant cat. Boss fight, I think. Linux operating system. Can I save? Or did I already save? Where am I going? What am I doing? Where? Oh, okay, wait. Ah! I don't like this guy. Oh, good. No, ball! Come back! Do I have to go and get a new ball? There's one right here. Can you move? I want to get a new ball. Thank you. No, no. Actually, wait, I can throw. Not. No, no. Oh, hi. No? Okay. The game didn't agree with me, and my other monitor is freaking out. Good. This is perfect. Ah, cats! I don't know what to do. He's right here, though. No, no. No, you won't throw cats at me. No, bye. I'm leaving. Ah! Oh, I got an achievement. Yes. Like, instead of just progress. Except I got the achievement of being scared. So I don't think that's an achievement to be proud of. That was just not fair. I was standing there and he jumped on me. Okay. Let's go. Can you move? I want to throw another ball at you. No, that's not fair. He cornered me. I was doing so well before this. Okay. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 0 deaths. First try. Yes. Okay, he's up there. That's not how you go there. Ah! I jumped on a cat! That's not fair. The cat should die, not me. Huh? And now I have to go all over again. He used a cat as a shield. Oh. And I still ended up hitting him. No, don't. This is not fair. He keeps cornering me there. I don't think that should be allowed. Didn't I hit him? Oh, whatever. I'll just go and get more. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. No. Do I have to hit him before he does anything else? Here, I hit him. Happy? Ha! Okay. I need to go. No! Oh, I almost died. Is he actually covering up the ball? Oh, no, he's not completely. Okay. I got him, I think. Okay, I got 2 hits. I need to go there. No. I can do this. Okay. Ah! Okay. If I can make it here, that would be nice. I did not mean to do that. And I have hiccups. Great. There were 2 cats there. That's not my fault. Hi. Oh, do you see that shot? No? Oh, okay. Wait, where do I go? I can't. What? This guy is not fair at all. No! He keeps throwing cats right when I'm about to hit him. I can go and get this ball still. So, and get another ball quickly. That's not what I meant to do at all. But I hit him still somehow. I have no idea how. Okay. There's a cat here. There are 2 cats here actually. I lied. Okay, wait, no. Come on! Why is he rolling so much? I've only gotten 2 hits on him, ever. No! How? I didn't even pick up the ball! No. Just no. Stop! Okay, wait. I am going to... No, nope. Ah, that almost worked. Okay, I can use this still. Nope. Nope. Why? Why is everything so hard? Why am I so bad at video games? How to get good? What just happened? I don't know what's happening. Why am I so scared? Oh my god! No! 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 Can I? Oh, okay, I can do that. And he didn't corner me with cats. So when he's flashing white, then I can go through him. Which is useful if I can actually hit him. That's not how you hit him. Can you stop? Please, it's really annoying. Okay, thank you. Okay, he went up there. How do I get there? From here, I think. Except he's not helping. Good. I got him, yes! Die! Pixodus. Cool. Finally. We're here, where? I don't know what's happening. What's that? I don't know. I suddenly feel very You're a ghost, how do you feel? What are you? What? No, he's my owner. Why did you take him away? I am alone. Oh, I can English. Okay, so I'm going to leave this episode of Balthazar's Dream. I don't know how to pronounce the name still. Here, if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Not my... You know what I mean. Bye.